Hey, Joe Phillips here with Central Park Scoop and Focused Real Estate. I'm up here in Northfield talking about insurance. I know that's a boring topic, but don't click off the video right away. So we do property management and real estate sales in the Central Park neighborhood. We deal with a lot of homes. And one thing we're seeing right now in a lot of properties is insurance rates going up a lot. And then deductibles for wind and hail also going up a lot. So if you have not looked at your insurance policy in a while, you want to really check it out for those two things, because it's very likely that the costs, just the premiums, have gone up a ton. That's like the more obvious, easy one to spot right away, but you should check that. A lot of people don't. And if it has gone up a lot, easy first solution there is to shop that to a couple different insurance brokers and agencies. That's a first level thing to do. Second level thing to do is the deductible amounts that are going up a ton. That one's a little less obvious, and people don't notice it because it's not part of that premium payment. Maybe you don't notice that went up. It's a little more in the paperwork. So it used to be that your insurance premium for like a hail roof replacement, which is very common in Central Park, would be about $2,500 flat fee out of pocket you have to pay, and then insurance would cover all the rest of the cost. Now it's very likely that your insurance policy has changed, and it's probably 2% of the insured value is your deductible cost. So say you're insuring a $900,000 worth of property, $18,000 is now out of your pocket when the roof needs to get replaced. So one solution on that, again, you could shop with different agencies and stuff, but it's very common that you're going to 2% with a lot of companies for the deductible. This is another product you might want to consider. This is an insurance product for the deductible. So it seems kind of silly, but you're getting an insurance policy that would pay that $18,000 that you're going to need for the deductible if you did have to get a new roof replacement. So this would be about $100 a month, and it'll pay the $18,000 out of pocket for you in the event of a hailstorm. So at that cost and that payout, if you think that your roof is likely to be ruined and need replacement in the next 11 to 12 years, the math says that it might be worth it to spend this $100 a month to not have to come out of pocket $18,000. If you don't want to spend the money, you think that's a waste of money, you at least be aware that that's what's going to cost you when you do have to come up with that deductible, so you can start planning and setting cash aside and being ready for that. It's just gotten a lot more expensive than it used to be. So those are just two tips related to home insurance right now in Central Park. I'm going to put a blog post below that I did with Jen Mathis, one of the insurance agencies that we work with, about this SOLA deductible insurance product in case you want to explore it more. Lastly, I should say, not an insurance expert, not financial advice. I did just try this for my new home, or my home, not my new home, and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you want to investigate it. So hope it's helpful.